7-5. Fire's on the east side of the building, upstairs, second floor. It's moved into the attic. I believe everyone is out right now. Hey, puppy. Come here. It's okay. Is this your dog, ma'am? Okay. It's on the back side. I got it out, but I don't know if it made it up into the attic.
Okay, can we get in through here?
Yep, straight upstairs. It's upstairs, straight upstairs right here. You can hear it. It's still rolling in the attic in the eave up above because it started on a porch.
Got it.
So it went up the siding and it's up in the eave up in the attic. There is, you can still see smoke coming out.
Okay.
There is access inside of the inside as well.